Good morning, children. Welcome back to math session. I hope you are doing well. The way you are responding, that means when I am giving the homework and CW, you are immediately responding for my video and the homework which I am giving, and the way you are sending the answers also is very good, children. Okay, so first of all, thanks to you all the way you are responding to me. Okay, very good. Next, in yesterday's class we have learned about greatest and smallest integers, that means numbers, and how to assign in ascending order and descending order. Okay, that is one. Next, in the coming to the homework part, exercise 1.1. So I have given you 6 sums as a homework. So that homework you just go through the pics. After this video I am going to send the key. Okay, so go through that pics and correct yourself that whether answer is correct or not. Okay, still by seeing the key, if you have any problem, still I am not understanding that sum, so immediately send me message. So when I am free, definitely I am going to call you and I will solve your problem. Okay, either in video call or if you can understand normal call also, no problem. Okay, it is your convenient. Okay, now today's session we have to learn how to add integers and how to subtract. Actually you all know, you all learned in 6th standard, but see here, 5 plus 6, how much, children? 5 plus 6 means 11. Okay, that is true. Next, 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So these are all where you learn. These are all you learned in lower classes. Okay, these are all you learned in lower classes. Yes or no? Okay. Similarly, we have many numbers to add like this. 8 plus 2. That means in childhood you learn 8 plus 2 equals to 10, 7 plus 3 equal to 10, 5 plus 6 equal to 11. But you don't know about the differences between a positive and negative. That means you all know that plus means we have to do addition, minus means we have to do subtraction. Only that you all know. And in coming to 6th standard, you learn about the difference between plus and minus also. Okay. But now more deep will be there, how to addition and how to do add and subtraction of integers. Okay. Here I am giving you one example here. When the question is given like this, you are able to do. Suppose the question is like this, minus 5 minus 6. You may get doubt what to do. Both are minus. What sir is telling, add. Add means in our mathematical language addition. So minus 5 minus 6. How we have to add? There is a minus symbol, no? You may get doubt. No. Listen here. So there are two numbers, both are negative only. These two numbers are negative numbers. And how can you say that these are negative numbers? Because it contains a negative symbol here. That means minus 5 and minus 6. Okay. So minus 5 and minus 6. So by seeing the symbols, we came to know that these two are negative symbols. But you should understand that when two are negative numbers, you have to add. I am not telling simply add. When two are negative numbers are there, means compulsory you have to do addition only. That means 6 and plus 5. So how much? 11. But 11 is not the correct answer. You have to place the symbol also minus. That means now we will get a doubt. What sir is adding and applying the minus symbol. Okay, listen very carefully. How many numbers are there with minus symbol? That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. How many numbers are there with the negatives? Means negative symbol. That means minus symbols. You have to do plus. That is the rule. Okay. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. But 10 is not the correct answer. You have to place a symbol minus. That means what you understand? how many minuses are there, you don't bother anything about that. Just simply add it. How many minuses? All are minuses only. So all minuses you have to do always addition and write the answer here. Here all are negative symbols, so apply the negative symbol for the answer. Then only your answer is correct. If you write simply 10, if you will not write minus, full sum is wrong. And you know maths, one symbol if you apply wrong, full marks will be gone. Okay. Now similarly, here see, plus 5, plus 6, plus 4. What are these? All plus terms. So we have only chance. You already the symbol itself is telling that to add. So all are plus terms. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So you got here 15 is the answer. But here all are plus. If nothing is there in front of this number in the starting one, you have to consider as a plus. Okay. So plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. So total 15. So the starting number, no, if you apply plus symbol or not a problem. If you write also no problem. If you not write also no problem. Okay. So better when the starting number you can avoid it. Okay. So this is what? That means what is the conclusion you came from this means when all are negative numbers compulsory you have to add and for the answer you have to apply minus symbol. If all are positive numbers, add it and apply positive symbol. If not also, no problem. Here, if that for only for starting number. Suppose there is one more number here, plus 16. Just simply. Don't, sir told, don't apply plus symbol and don't do like this. Wrong answer. Okay. So, only for the starting number if it is a plus, don't apply plus symbol. If you apply also, no problem. So, up to here it is clear. So, what you understand? All are negative numbers means you have to add and in the answer you have to write negative symbol. If all are plus terms, we have to add and you have to write the positive symbol. So, up to here it is very clear. Okay. Now here you may get doubt. Sir, you told all the negative symbols means we have to add and apply the negative symbol. If all are plus means we have to add all and apply the positive symbol. Now, one plus symbol means one plus number, one minus number. 8 minus 10. You don't worry about it is a small number, it is a big number. Okay? Just only think about the symbols. Symbols are more important in the integers. Okay? Is it clear? In algebra or integers, whatever it may be, only symbols. Once if you write a wrong symbol, the full sum is going to get wrong. So observe very carefully. Here 8. This is plus 8. As I told you, the starting number. So we have to consider this one as a plus. And minus 10. So 1 plus and 1 minus. What to do? We have to do always subtraction. We have to do always subtraction. Subtraction also how we have to do? In this 10 is greatest number. So 10 is big number. So 10 minus 8. How much? 2. Now what is the greatest number symbol here? Negative. That means minus symbol. So in the answer you have to write minus symbol. Okay. Is it clear? Now minus 8 plus 10. I gave you like this. That means one is plus and one is minus. One is plus and another is minus. So what sir told to do? Simply minus. So don't think more about that. What to do, how to do. Don't think. Only remember the concept. All negatives we have to add, apply negative symbol. All plus terms, add plus symbol. 1 plus and 1 minus, always do subtraction. This is the simple logic. So 10 minus 8, how much? 2. Why we have subtracted from 10 is because this is the biggest number. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. And the big number symbol is plus. So as I told you, if plus is there means no need to apply. If you write also, no problem. Okay. Now, is it clear? Suppose you may get doubt, sir, minus 4 plus 3 plus 5 minus 7. So like this, you told up to now two numbers. Now the question is given like 4 or more than 4 numbers, then what to do? This also we have a solution. Listen, what is the starting number here? Minus 4. Is it clear? The starting number is minus 4. So here minus 4 you just write in solution. Now search for means you have to search in the question any negative symbol numbers are there. You have to search for any negative symbols numbers are there. Here it is, that is minus 7. Why? Because first what is there, write that one. So along with that search for any negative numbers. There it is a minus 7. So immediately write that one here, minus 7. Okay, over. Now what are the leftovers now? Plus 3 and plus 5. Right here, plus 3 plus 5. That means what we did here means first minus symbol is there. So we brought all the minus symbols near. Then remaining plus terms. Now what sir told for you? Sir told any minus terms are there, we have to add always. So here 2 minus symbols are there, that is 4 and 7. So 7 plus 4 how much? 11. And what symbol we have to apply? Minus. Okay. Now plus 3 plus 5. How much? Plus 8. Now we have to write compulsory because you are writing after the number. So that's why we have to write symbol. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Now again what happened? 1 minus and 1 plus. What sir told to do? Minus. So 11 minus 8? 3. But 3 is the right answer or wrong answer? We have to check it. 11 minus 8, 3. Because 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Now, the big number contains here negative symbol. So, in the answer, you have to write negative number. Negative symbol. Okay. So, this is the solution. Now, I'll give you 3 or 4 sums. I'll give you 3 or 4 sums in classwork. That means, what I am writing on the board. What I am writing on the board, okay, what I am writing on the board, what I will do, I will solve it. You just copy it. You just copy it in your CW, okay. Some parents requested that, okay, some parents requested that. First I will explain the sums, okay, you listen very nicely. As I told you, some parents are requested. What they requested, they asked what I am explaining. That means the sums which I am explaining on the board, the same sums just send as a PDF. That means today what I will do on the board, what sums I will do on the board, I will send those sums also for you, okay, in the group, and those sums also I will send you in the group. Those sums you just copy in your CW. But one thing children, without listening the video, don't straight away copy the classwork. So that's why I am planning to send, okay, immediately I will send, no problem, okay. So after listening the video only, write CW. So today onwards, not today, whenever I am explaining the sums on the board, those sums I will do it again and I will send you as a PDF, okay, that is classwork. And homework, however I am giving you on the board, that you have to do it, okay. That homework sums you have to always check with your key, which I am sending in the next day. Okay children, now is it clear for you? Now I am going to tell you some extra sums. You write heading in the classwork book, extra sums. You write in the CW, extra sums, okay. Now I will explain 3 or 4 sums. So those sums you do in the classwork book only. Okay. Either you can follow through video or you can go through the pic also, no problem. Okay. Up to here it is clear. See here, while you are writing, write extra sums. Okay. Write extra sums heading. The first question is minus 5 plus 3 plus 9 minus 10. So simply I gave like this, means simplify they will give you. or simply they give you what to do. You have to understand the concept. When they give simply, you have to do always simplification. Okay, see here, solution. When you are writing such type of solutions, immediately you have to write this question. Why? Because this numbers, no? So we have to write again question, otherwise we will miss some numbers. So when you are writing this type of sums, compulsory you have to write in the solution also question first. -5 plus 3 plus 9 minus 10. Okay. Now here, as I told you, what is the first number here? -5. So write here -5. Okay. Next, search for the minus symbols. Here -10. Remember children, 10 before, that means this is 10 is negative, not 9 is negative. Again you will have a confusion. I have seen many people that, okay, they will feel that 9 is minus, not 9 is not negative. 10 is negative symbol. Means the number before symbol we have to consider. The number before symbol only we will consider for this. So -10. So write here -10. So what are the next numbers? +3 plus 9. So -5 minus 10. How much? -15. Okay. Next, 9 plus 3. 10, 11, 12. Now here, one is what? Negative and other is positive. So one is positive, one is negative. What sir told to do? Minus. So 15 minus 12, 3. So which symbol we have to write? 15 is contains minus symbol. So -3 you have to write. Okay? Is it clear? Next. This is the answer for this question. Now see the second one here. 4 plus 5 minus 15 minus 30. The sum is very nice. Why? Because all pluses are here and all negative numbers are here. So 4 plus 5, 9. These two are minus symbols. That means you have to add these two and apply minus symbol. Minus 15 plus 30, 45. Okay. Now, which is biggest number here? 45. So 45 minus 9, 36. Now which symbol we have to write? Minus symbol. Why? Because 45 contains minus. So that's when the solution you have to write -36. So is it clear? Okay. These two sums you can copy in your CW. Okay. Now all of you get ready with diary. Okay. Take out your diary and textbook also if you have. See here. Today I am going to give you homework basing on this model only. All of you have a textbook? Okay. So, and diary also you open once. Page number 5 children. Okay. Once open page number 5. So, take out your diary also. Okay. Write date 9/6/2021. Okay. Wednesday. Okay. Now maths homework. Chapter 1, exercise 1.1. Okay. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Only two sums. 7 and 9 sums as a homework. Why? Because 8th sum I will explain children. Because there is one more formula. That means formula in the sense one more concept is there. Into concept means into concept is there. Until unless we use that concept, we cannot do 8th sum model. Okay, so that's why left as that. So I am going to explain that. Okay, mostly you observe that myself always only explanation how to do. and your duty, try to understand the concept and do the sums by your own. So like that only you are going to improve your maths. Okay, always practice. Okay, how many sums you will practice? Even if I will not teach, you take on some extra sums from any book and try to do it. So once you keep on practicing, definitely you will get an interest on maths. Okay, now I will see in the examination who are going to get full marks. Okay, I told you now, every after 50% or after completion of 50% of the syllabus I am going to conduct test. So get ready for that. That's why daily what I am giving, practice those some models. Okay, now in the diary you can take maths homework chapter 1 exercise 1.1 and 7 and 9. Okay, and I am very happy that yesterday some children even sending the diary pic also. Okay, so that means they are maintaining the diary very nicely. Very good children. Okay, so this is your maths homework for today. Okay, and follow the key I am sending after this video immediately, and even classwork also I am sending. Okay, so I am mentioning there classwork. So classwork means these two sums I am sending. So those two sums you have to copy it in classwork. Homework you all know, and what I am sending the pics, that is for key. So go through the key for correction of your problems. Okay children, have a nice day.